Yeah, sure, sure.
Hello, everyone. I'm Saleha, and this is Friday Night Adda. And joining me all the way from Pune is Sudeshna. I met
Yeah.
Sudeshna first a few years ago as part of a cooking group called Kitchen Raga, started by my friend Preetha Sen. She pops up in all our conversations somehow. And over the time, I've got to know Sudeshna, talented as, oh my God, she sings, she cooks, she writes, and she's outspoken. And the post that she puts up in Calcutta Connect, I just love it. Sudeshna,
Yeah.
make
Thank
Pratham
you.
face to face.
Yes.
And I think we've been friends on Kitchen Raga for like 5, 7 years now, whenever
Yeah,
it's
yeah,
started.
yeah, yeah. Yes, yes, yes.
And you get me all the lost recipes that I can't find because I won't suddenly have people over and I need to cook. But anyway, a few things that you wrote in Calcutta Connect, sorry, Calcutta Unlimited, that actually got
Unlimited, yeah.
me to talk to you. One was about mental health, panic
Yeah.
attacks. The other one was
Mm-hmm.
how outspoken you were about the need for women to talk if they have been physically abused. And
Yes.
last week in Australia, we had the March for Justice, which was basically women
Mm-hmm.
asking for justice if they have been sexually assaulted either at the workplace or elsewhere.
Okay.
So I think it's time that we all
Mm-hmm.
need to talk about it because
Very much.
we
Very
agree
much.
that at some point of our lives, um, whether it's work or it is home, we have all had these perpetrators who are our kaka, mama, cousins,
Yes,
someone or the
yes,
other, parents, friends.
yes,
It's always somebody known, and yet we never talked. One is the shame because,
yes,
yes, we always felt we are the ones. However, you talked about
yes.
openly, so more power to you. So
Thank you.
let's hear from you.
I strongly feel it should be talked about, Yeah. Like, coming to this topic of, abuse. This must be happening with every child, I mean, male, female, whoever. But
Yes, we
what I
forget it
realized
happens to
over the
men too.
years, I mean,
Yes.
I was abused.
Yeah.
Yes, yes. Even boy child is not immune to that. So
No, no.
we need to understand that. No, so the more we talk about it, I believe there is always a feeling. The child feels guilty because we don't talk about it. That is the problem, and we always try to shove the things under the carpet. I remember, like when I was a teenager and I was violated, I felt very dirty and I felt it must be my fault.
Yes, because that's what we feel.
And yes, and I didn't talk about it. I didn't talk about it with anyone. Even you'll be surprised to know that I didn't even tell my partner till I wrote about it. I mean, he was aghast. He said, "How could you not talk about it?" But that's the way we
But
are.
we don't talk about it. Yes.
No, no. We
Yes.
we we think there was the feeling was there with me. I hated my body because I was always tall for my age and my body was a little more developed than my friends. So I hated myself and I thought it must be my fault somewhere, which today I realize no, no, that
It's
was
never
not
our
the
fault.
reason. The
It is
person was
never our
the
fault.
person was sick in his mind. So I strongly feel this should be taught to all the children. First
The good
thing,
and the
which
bad touch. Yes.
yes, yes. So we needed to do that to our child because I was full time into my career
Yes.
when she was born, and we had to send her to a daycare at the age of 1. So we realized that as she grew up, we taught her what is a good touch and what is a bad touch, and we told her that anyone touches you in any way which makes you feel
Yes.
uncomfortable, you should come and tell us.
Yep. I've told my girls too.
So that
Always.
is,
Yes.
yeah, yeah. It's extremely important. Like I remember once she was hardly, I believe, 7 or 8. She had been to a friend's place, and for the birthday for some birthday celebration, and she came back and she told me, "Mama, I don't like the way Uncle looked at me." So I said, "If you feel uncomfortable,
Yes.
okay, duly noted, and be very careful. maybe avoid meeting uncle alone, and let us know if anything happens. Fortunately, nothing
Yeah,
happened, but
yeah.
this is the way we have to. And then,
Yes,
if
absolutely.
something really happens, we have to call it out. We can't just.
And yes, and I think that is what was lacking when we were growing up. It's the shame of
Yes,
it all,
yes,
that
yes,
we are the ones, something's wrong with us, which is why this is happening. But there's, as we grow up, we realize it's nothing wrong with us. It's the perpetrators
yes,
who need to
yes,
be called
yes.
out, and you can never ever do it because they are relatives or they are friends. And yes, I was
Yeah,
very, very,
my
yes.
dad was like that. I mean, he was very upfront about all these, and I wish today I realize I should have gone to him and spoken to him about it. He could have done something about it, because he never bothered much about what people would say. But for my moms, we realize, for my mom, I mean our moms generation, they were always scared about what would people say about their daughters. We were daughters after all.
Yes.
So the society was different that time. I
And
mean,
society is still
these
different.
days
So
we
there's
don't
nobody
care.
wants to talk, nobody wants to call out, nobody wants to
Yeah.
talk about it. I
Yes.
mean,
Yes.
I
Yes.
don't think much has changed, at least as far as this is concerned. Yes, women are more aware, but I mean,
Yes. And
um,
let me tell you, perpetrators can be women too.
oh yes,
I
absolutely.
mean, we had an incident in the family where a woman, she's a therapist. She was, her behavior was on the borderline of abuse towards a child. So
Yes, I think
we can't imagine what all things happen in this world. This
absolutely.
was
No, I agree with you. I mean, I think when we keep talking about women being abused, we tend to forget that little boys are also abused and abused by their
yes,
male
yes,
relatives, and for some it can have
yes,
disastrous effects.
yes,
It is so,
yes,
so sad, and yet we cannot talk. I'm hoping more of our children's generation are going to talk. I know my generation of people are going to talk. Like I told you, the March for Justice happened last week. So yes, people are talking. I think in the West,
yes, yes.
it is
It's
it
much
is
needed.
easier.
It's much
Yes.
needed.
But look at politicians. I believe now there's a whole new thing about Patahua jeans. I mean, I didn't know about it. Teacher told me about it. I mean, what the hell?
Yeah,
So women have to dress up because men
I
don't
never
like.
understand all this. But
Okay,
let me tell you, Saleha, in India, I mean, I have never stayed abroad. Of course, I travel for travel, but I never stayed
yep.
abroad. But here in India, in middle class community, at least, in the middle class strata of the society, women are still judged for their dress sense.
Yes, yes, I'm sure they are.
I'll tell you, it's so funny. You might have noticed, I either drip sari, which is very rarely, and but
Yes.
these days I get the time, so I do it. Otherwise, I'm mostly seen in my jeans and top or maybe dresses. I hardly wear salwar kurta. For some reason, it's nothing like specific that I hate
Yep,
it or
yep,
something,
yep.
but
You just
I'm
don't wear
comfortable
it,
in
and
it.
that's fair enough. Yes.
Yes, yeah, yeah. So this me going out in dresses was a talk among a few of my acquaintances. And it was so funny. They'll tell me, somebody told me that her husband asked, "Why do I wear dresses?" So I
How?
laughed. And the husband was, I could make out, even if he would have asked, he asked his wife. And he was, very uncomfortable when that topic was raised. And then again, some other day, she saw me in a dress and she asks me, "Oh, you're in a dress again." Oh, then see, again, my husband will ask me. I said, "But I'm like this."
We're having a lot of technical
So,
issues.
otherwise,
So there seems to be a lot of technical
open-minded.
issues. Yep. I'm losing you. Sudeshna.
Yeah,
Sorry,
yeah,
I'm
yeah.
losing you.
I
I'm going to pause for a minute. Can you keep talking? Okay, yes. So
yeah,
yep. People want to know why you're
yeah.
wearing dresses.
Yes, yes. This is, it's so funny, I mean, I was asked why I wear dresses. One woman, she even took her husband's name that he wanted to know why you wear dresses. I mean, what the hell? I mean, as long as I am comfortable, my family doesn't mind. What is your problem? But that's the way we are seen even today. You know, we call ourselves educated, well, open-minded, but that's the way we are.
That's the way we are.
Yes,
I
yes.
hope we
And
change. I live in hope.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
So, yeah.
I also believe in hoping, and I find all this very funny. Uh, and thanks to my dad, I kind of, I inherited one gene from him that I don't care what the people say. I don't care at all about what people say. And as long as my conviction
Yes,
allows me to do
absolutely.
something, I'll
Yeah.
do. Yeah, so that's the way things are.
So, Dishna, I want to ask you about mental
Yeah.
health.
Oh yeah, that's a topic which is very very close to my heart because as I had mentioned earlier that I have gone through a phase of depression.
Yeah.
I'm still, there are phases when I go through this, and
When did it start?
like it started in back in 2009. I was uh, I was completely stressed out. I guess that's what came out. I was completely stressed out, managing a small child and demanding job. And my partner, his job profile is he needed to travel 20-25 days a month. So it was like almost functioning like a single parent. And I was working for in an industry which is very conventional. I mean, the
So,
conventional
were you in
engineering
the, so
industry.
you are an engineer by profession.
Yes,
Yep,
yes.
yeah.
I'm a chemical engineer from Jadavpur University. So I work for a company which is a hardcore engineering company. And that's another fascinating story to tell. I mean, we were only, in that organization, only 6% of the employees were females.
Of course.
And most of them were in administrative functions like front office or maybe secretarial functions and all. So there were a handful of us who were trained engineers and who
Yeah.
were
Women, you
professionals.
mean? Yep.
Women, yes. So, and it was really hard for us because it was a men's domain. Let us
Yep.
understand, and you have to prove yourself like anything at every step. You are equal to them,
Yeah.
and you'll be judged for. Nobody had any concerns. Like the general feeling was, her husband is earning. Why?
Yep. Yep.
I mean,
That's something that happens everywhere.
nobody.
You know, it's not just in India.
Yeah, yeah.
Husband is earning. Why does the wife need to earn? Or her work is not
Yes, yes.
consequential. Yes, I agree. Yes, I agree. Yep.
As if I have not studied, I'm not educated. I have just come there to spend my time. And then once till I wasn't a mother, things went in some pace. And then once I got my child, it was extremely stressful. I mean, some people will go to the extent of fixing meetings when I need to attend the meeting.
And again, we have, yep.
Then
Keep
they'll tell
talking
you
even if
later
your
that
video
you
is
were
not
not in the
working.
meeting.
Yes.
You couldn't. Yes, yes, yes. So all these things, hello.
I'm listening. Yes, I can hear you.
Yeah, 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 yeah. So what happened is all these put a lot of stress on me, and suddenly I found myself, and I believe all of us need some kind of a trigger
Yes.
to realize that I'm not my usual self.
Yep.
And we had a tremendous water problem in Pune that time. And unfortunately, the complex we stay in, the people who were managing, they were doing a very bad job of it. And at the backdrop, like I was brought up by a mother who always insisted that I excel in whatever I do. So I wanted to excel in my,
In motherhood.
managing home
Yes,
capabilities
and
as
yeah.
well, motherhood. And I was continuously judged by my own mother that how bad a mom I am, and how I'm spending more time for my career and all that stuff. Anyway, all those things put together, I realized that I'm not my usual jovial self. I told my partner that I think I need to see someone. I'm not feeling okay.
You know,
He
this
said, fair enough, let's
postnatal
go and meet
depression is
somewhere.
so normal, isn't it? I mean, we don't talk about
Yeah,
it, and I wish we did.
yeah, yeah.
I wish we did.
This actually, it was not exactly postnatal. I mean, my daughter was 6 that time. But then, yes, I realized I was, kind of irritable for years. So maybe that was the early
The
sign of
build up,
depression,
yes, the
which,
build up that was happening.
yes, that build up that happens. And I didn't realize that, I'm changing, but I'm not being able to comprehend by. I thought I am overworked or I'm
Yeah,
overstressed and stuff like that. Anyway, when I went to a therapist first. I went to my physician first. He told me maybe a neurological disorder. Neurologist. Then, my medication started, but I was not feeling still comfortable. Then I took a call of going to a therapist. Then we thought that no, better to go to a psychiatrist and talk about it,
yeah,
and that's how it started. And of course, the medication, the dosage has come down over the years, and I know how the battle is, how difficult the battle is, And then, of course, you get judged by your own people around
yeah,
you. I mean, my partner didn't know how to handle me. He never judged me, but he didn't know how to handle me. He'll either reprimand or he'll be overindulgent. So it was like a pendulum.
yeah.
He took a couple of years to understand how to deal with me. And my parents, like my dad, was always is always a reserved character. So he didn't say much. He was the one who took me to the doctor uh, once. I remember for the first time. And my mom, till that, her reaction is as if I failed her. So she tries to give me a feeling that you are a loser, you lost it, that kind of a feeling. So anyway, that's how things are. So then
Well,
I
have you come
realized,
out of it?
mm, to a large extent, I have my lows at times, but one thing which I purposely, I always kept myself busy. I mean, in spite of a huge struggle to get up in the morning from the bed, but I never kept myself restricted to the bed.
Yep.
So it's a huge struggle, but I had to push myself. I push myself to do all sorts of things. Like 2013 onwards, this complex we stay in, everyone said you are so active in handling the issues. So they wanted me to be the chairperson. So I took over. So lot of work I do, voluntary work kind of things. But I realized keeping busy and keeping
Yes,
yourself
absolutely.
busy,
Yes.
keeping yourself busy for the causes you
Believe
feel
in.
is
Yes.
are worthwhile, we believe in. These are extremely important, extremely important. And about panic attacks, I do understand now that yes, I used to have panic attacks. I didn't realize it that time. And like you feel breathless, you feel you're losing it, but actually nothing is happening inside you other than you going into a panic mode. So that happens. And so you might have seen that I had reacted quite
Yes, I did. Yes.
aggressively in one of the
Yep.
posts in Calcutta Unlimited. I understand that it was a well-meaning post, but then, the way it was drafted, I was a little upset about it. And what happens is people take all this very casually. Still, I have seen children having panic attacks and, they're not able to write exams, stuff like that. I remember we had a classmate who used to have suffered from huge arm pain during exams. Her arms would start paining, I realize now that it was all because she used to
Yep.
be extremely worried and in a panic mode then. But back then, there was no, I believe, understanding of the
Yes,
situation.
it's
Her
only
parents
now,
used to
it's in the
think,
last few years, isn't it, that we've started
yes,
talking
yes,
openly about
yes,
mental health issues,
yes,
because
yes,
otherwise it was
yes,
always মন খারাপ হয়ে
yes,
হচ্ছে,
yes.
হ্যাঁ ভালো লাগছে না,
And the other
শরীর
thing
মাঝ
which
ম্যাচ
happens
করছে।
these days is, yeah. And the other thing which happens these days, that is another extreme. You feel sad, you say, I'm depressed. you know,
And
you
there's a
panic
lot
for
of
something
difference,
small.
yes.
Yes. So people don't understand, and that the implications of what they're talking about. So
Yes,
it was one extreme when we were growing up, and today maybe
yes,
it has gone to the other extreme where everything is given a term.
yep.
That happens quite often. Yeah.
Sudeshna, Shomai is running out
Yeah.
because we've had
I
technical
know. I
issues.
know.
So before I end,
Yeah.
a song.
Mm-hmm.
Sing whatever you want, because we need to end this on a happy note. And yes, I don't want to be kicked out of my recording. So yes,
That's
and
fine.
in case I am, thank you for
I
joining me. But and it has been great. But please
thank
sing.
you for calling me
No, it
and
has been so good.
reaching
Please
out
sing
to
now.
me.
Yes, please
It's
sing,
yeah.
because yes, I'm waiting to hear
Mm,
your songs.
which one do I sing?
And your favorite,
I have so many favorites.
sing
It's
whichever you
very
want.
difficult.
Sing whichever you want. A lot of people in
Uh,
Calcutta Unlimited don't speak Bangla, so keeping that in mind, maybe you want to sing a
yeah,
Hindi
yeah,
song.
yeah.
Yes,
No, let me sing. Maybe a Hindi or an English one. It makes
let's sing a Hindi song.
more
Yes,
sense.
yes, let's sing a Hindi song.
Okay. Okay. चलते चलते मेरे ये गीत याद रखना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना, चलते चलते मेरे ये गीत याद रखना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना, रोते हंसते बस यूं ही तुम गुनगुनाते रहना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना. Thank you.
We are not saying
The voice
Alvida.
was little.
No, oh my
No, not
God.
at all. We'll
Sudeshna,
catch up.
please Esha bolo na. We are not saying Alvida. I'm sure I will be in touch with you again and again, because I want you to come and
Yeah.
sing in
It was
Melbourne.
lovely speaking to you and to
Thank you
talk
so
about
much.
the things
Share, no,
that
very,
are
very
very close
brave
to
of
my
you to
heart.
come and talk about everything that we don't talk about. It needs a lot of guts. So
Yes.
Deshna, hats off. More power
Thank
to
you
you.
so much.